DC Auto Works ECU. Easy. First try. Grease. Over and down, yes. There we have it. And now, turbo is very home.
All right, y'all. Moment of truth. Here we go. Okay, so first test drive in the GTI K04 with the ECU. Just put it in manual mode. Just driving ginger, let the car warm up. So I let the car warm up for about 10 minutes before going out on this drive. But the gearbox also has to warm up. You DSG owners know what I mean.